In this video, I'll show you how you can copy a text from an image on your Samsung Galaxy S26. All you have to do is open the gallery and find the image that contains the text that you'd like to copy from. So for instance, this particular image, you can simply tap on it. And then if an image has, or if your phone has recognized that that particular image has some text on it, you should see the T icon appear. So if that happens, all you have to do is tap on that T text icon and it will highlight, or rather it will scan for all the available text in that particular image. Now once it has scanned it, all you have to do is tap on it to see these options appear, and you can select all to highlight all the text within that particular image, and then tap on copy to copy that particular text. Now from here you can simply launch any application and paste that particular text that you just copied from that image. So simply open the application and then long press on the app or the text field, and then tap on paste from the options that appear, and that will paste that particular text. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.